Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick educational video today, and we are going to talk about an important concept that deals with causation and why causation is very important in a medical malpractice case. Now, I'm going to start this video and I want to help you understand that a lot of this discussion stems from an issue that comes up with some individuals, and that is, well, if I had a bad result, then that has to mean that medical malpractice is what took place. And so I want to help you understand how medical malpractice attorneys, how we analyze these cases and what we're looking for, the elements that have to be proven, and why the facts matter in these types of cases. So medical malpractice in general, it falls in a category of the law called Tort Law, and it's in a section called negligence. And to prove negligence, there's 4 elements: duty, breach, causation, and damages. And so causation is one that is usually hotly contested in a lot of these cases. It's something that both sides are going to have to deal with. And a lot of defenses from defense attorneys and hospitals who are defending these doctors, the attorneys who are defending the hospitals and the doctors, they're going to key in on a lot of instances on causation. And what that means is that when we bring a medical malpractice case, what we have to show essentially is that the actions of the doctor or the hospital or the medical professional, that is what caused the injury or the harm. If we cannot tie in causation, then we will not be able to be successful in these cases. And so I hope you can see now that what you can have in some cases, you can have a bad result that occurs, but that result was not due to something that the doctors or the hospitals may have done. And so that's why when we're looking at these cases, when we're doing investigations for families, one of the main things that we're looking at in these medical records is we are trying to see, is it something that the doctors or the nurses or the hospital, is it something that they did which is what caused the injury? Now, there's other issues and there's other analysis that has to take place that deals with standard of care and deviation from the standard of care and things like that. But for this video, you have to understand that we have to be able to show that what the doctors or the nurses or the hospital, what they did is what caused the injury or the harm. And a lot of times we do this by reviewing the medical records. We do this by talking with you and doing a thorough investigation on the front end so we can get a good picture as to what may have happened in your situation. If you have more questions, if you would like to speak with me further about what happened in your situation or your case, what I would like you to do is go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I talk with families all the time about these types of issues. You can give me a call at 301-850-4832. You can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.